Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to insert picture in Excel on desktop or laptop. So guys, welcome to the video. Please check out the link in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So now let's get into it. How can you actually insert a photo in Microsoft Excel on your PC or desktop? So I already have Microsoft Excel loaded up on my taskbar and I'll go ahead and open it up. All right, so I'm just going to select the option to create a blank workbook. So click on blank workbook. Once it's opened, all you need to do to insert a picture or any kind of file format is head over to the insert tab at the top of your screen. So just head over to insert and click on it. Now where we have pictures, just click on the drop down and then select this device. If you have pictures that are online, that maybe like links, you could add links here to the pictures, or you could just go ahead and download the pictures from the online or from your web browser. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this device. Once you've selected this device, simply select the photo you'd like to add to your Excel sheet. So let's just go with this Cristiano Ronaldo picture, and then you can link to file or insert and link. So we're just going to go ahead and insert this into the Excel sheet. So click on insert, and it's going to go ahead and download the file in. And boom, we have the photo on our Microsoft Excel sheet. And yeah, that's how you can get this done. So guys, please check out the link in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Please leave a like and also subscribe to the channel for more content like this.